Okay. No, don't give it to him yet. Wait, I want to just say. Wait, hold on. Okay, I just want to say, if anybody is a fish sympathizer or is squeamish, you probably should not watch this video. This is something that we do with Jaeger every time we go fishing, and he really, really loves it and looks forward to it because he has a dog. All right, go ahead. Give him the fish.
There you go. Knock yourself out.
Fish. I've got a fish. Get the fish, Jaeger. Get the fish. It's kind of gross.
It gets really vicious. That's even too dumb for them.
Oh, Jaeger. Yeah, this is definitely not for the squeamish or the fish sympathizer.
Oh my gosh.
Gross.
Disgusting.
He looks forward to this every time we go fishing.